This is a no buckle hobble with stainless steel squares, Latigo leather, double and stitched. It latches by sliding through and pulling back. It's a very easy, simple way to latch. This hobble is not made for colts that will be moving around. An old horse that stands still, it works great. And I'll put it on the horse and show you how it works. Slide it through the square, pull it back. Go to the other side, slide it through and pull it back. And with any hobble, if a horse is not used to hobbles, always do it out in a big open area and let them, if they're gonna have a wreck, have it where they can't get hurt. And then to unlatch them, you just pull it to there, unlatch, pull it to there, and unlatch.